How to fold your J&M 5000 series applicator. To unfold your 5000 series applicator, ensure all hydraulics are properly connected to the tractor and the transport locks are unpinned. There are two sets of holes in the transport lock. The set nearer to the pivot point is used to secure the transport lock to the toolbar. The holes furthest from the pivot point is a convenient storage location for the keeper pins during operation. First, raise the toolbar up completely using the green hydraulic circuit on the applicator. Pull the associated lever in the tractor, which is generally the first lever. Next, fold the toolbar wings out. These are the red taped hoses on the applicator. Push the associated lever in the tractor forward, generally the second lever. How to fold your 5000 series applicator for transport. First, raise the toolbar up completely. This is the green hydraulic circuit on the applicator. Pull the associated lever in the tractor. Next, fold in the toolbar wings. This is the red taped hose circuit on your applicator. Pull the associated lever in the tractor cab, which is generally the second lever. Finally, lower the toolbar onto the transport locks. This is the green taped hose circuit. Push the associated lever forward, generally the first lever. The applicator also comes with the manual transport locks on the center toolbar. These serve to ensure the main toolbar does not drop down during transport. If the toolbar is having issues raising, lowering, or folding, there may be a faulty hydraulic coupler that needs to be replaced.